Hello class, welcome back. We're going to look at math page 267 today. I hope you've written your name. Number 1, we're going to play the alligator game. When we read left to right, if we come to the open mouth first, we say greater than. If we come to the nose first, we say less than. So, let's look at this first one together. Is 69 greater than or less than 75? It is less than, so we're going to use this alligator mouth to eat 75. So your alligator mouth should point this way. Chomp, 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 chomp. And we read that 69 is less than 75. Now you've got some bigger numbers to do here. Let's do this one and then you'll do these by yourself later. 143 and 187. Which is bigger? Well, you start in the hundreds column. 1, 1. Same. 4, 8. This one wins. So, chomp, chomp, chomp. Your alligator mouth goes this way. And we read that 143 is less than 187. Remember, start in the tens column to compare. Then compare the ones column if you need to go further. Start in the hundreds column to compare. Then go to the tens column if you need to go further. Clocks. Remember, the minute hand counts by fives. The shorthand tells the hour. When it's between two numbers, we always go with the smaller number. What time does this read? The hour, 6. The minute, 5, 10, 15, 20. 6:20. You can do these later. Dot cards. You're really good at addition. Red plus blue equals all of them. And the twin, blue plus red equals all of them. But subtraction, remember, start with all of them minus the red equals the blue. Start with all of them minus the red equals the blue. Number 4, how many cents? Now, if you notice, they went smallest to biggest on your paper, but the best way to count is the one that is worth the most to the one that is worth the least. So you want to always find the one that is worth the most, and it happens to be on this end. So you'll be able to count easier if you go this direction. You can do this side after the video because I want to spend this time making sure that we understand how to do each one. And on the back is what we learned today. 2-digit addition, and this teeny tiny box tells us that we're going to be carrying today. You start off the same way. 4 plus 6 is 10. So, for the number 10, you're going to write down, let me cover some of this up. For the number 10, you're going to write down the 0 and carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. Okay, we're going to do all of them together, so let's look at the next one. I'm going to pull out my paper here. Don't want to show you the answers too soon, but then I do want to show you what your paper should look like. All right. 53 plus 37, ones column. 3 plus 7 is 10. Now in the number 10, which digit is in the ones column? Yes, the 0. So the 0 goes here, and the 1 gets carried to the tens column. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 3 is 9. So the answer is 90. So you should have 90 and then 90 again. The next one, we're looking at 2 plus 8, again, is 10. So which digit is in the ones column? the 0. Put down the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 3 is 6. Okay, one more. 6 plus 4 is 10. Look over here. Oh, I already took it down. I put it in this. Sorry about that. Right here. This is what I'm talking about. In the number 10, the 0 is in the ones column, so it stays, and the 1 gets carried next door to the tens column because you're not allowed to have 2 digits in the ones column. So here, 6 plus 0 is 10. Put down your 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 2 is 7. So you should have 90, 90, 60, and 70. Number 2, you're going to do on your own. You are not carrying. You're subtracting, and you can do that on your own. Number 3, count from 151 to 60. So that is step number 1. First, count. Step number 2, write the odd numbers in the triangles and write the even numbers in the circles. Now, it will turn out that way when you just count. Because if you notice, the triangles are every other 1, and the circles are every other 1. So when you write the next number, which is 152, that's an even number. When you write the next number, which is 153, these will match for odd. The next number, 154, these will match for even. So if you just count 151 through 160, then the odd numbers and the even numbers will turn out correctly. Number 4 is a little bit of a brain teaser. Listen carefully. You might need to pause this as we go along. Add the numbers across. So 3 plus 2, write your answer. Then add the number, okay, so 3 plus 2, write your answer. 1 plus 4, write your answer. Now, add the numbers down. 3 plus 1, write your answer. 2 plus 4, write your answer. Then what did you have here? You should have had 5. And what did you have here? You should have had 5. 5 plus 5, write your answer. The last row down and the bottom row across will have the same answer. Is that true? 5 plus 5 is 10. This was what? 4 plus 6 is 10. Cool! Let's see if we can do this one. 5 plus 3 is, write your answer. 2 plus 2 is, write your answer. Now, here we go down. 5 plus 2 is, write your answer. 3 plus 2 is, write your answer. What was 5 plus 3? 8. What was 2 plus 4? Oh, excuse me. What was 2 plus 2? 4. So 8 plus 4 was 12. What was this? 7 plus 5 was 12. I hope you got that. That's pretty cool. You may finish the front of this paper and the back of this paper. When you're done, have your parents take a photo. Don't forget to send me a photo today of the front part of your speed drill so I can see if you improved every day. All right, good job. Hope you learned a lot, and look forward to seeing how you did on your paperwork. Bye-bye.